Hi there, this is Christy, and I wanted to show you something new that's happening today. First of all, you may not know what a digital paper is, and that is this right here. These are digital papers that people can download and create um, products with. As you can see, there's some bestsellers here, a bestseller here and here, boho doodles. And this is a great market right here. You can also take these papers and create other things, other items to sell. And look at that. That is so cute. You can do it per holiday, St. Patrick's Day, digital papers, avocado, pink peony, happy kawaii bunny. So you can do it by themes. Rainbows, grunge, heart, digital papers, wood, Easter, unicorns. So you can see these are bestsellers. So that means they are selling. And today, my friend Di is launching a digital papers course, and it goes live today. And I'm an affiliate for her program, which means I will earn a commission if you buy through my link. But if you do, I'm also going to give you a bonus, and I'll show you what that bonus is right here. But it's see, this is what Di says from plrplanners.com. In this training, I'm going to show you how to take a swatch like this image below and convert it into digital papers that look like this using Photoshop and Affinity Designer, even if you're not a designer or artistic. These are so pretty. So she has a video course. She's going to teach you creating a color swatch, working with textures using commercial use pattern templates, creating patterns with bot graphics, working with brushes and stamps, using ready-made commercial used overlays and textures, creating your own patterns. Then she's going to teach you how to repurpose all this into products you can resell for commercial use. You can create pattern files for Photoshop patterns, editable pattern templates, commercial use textures, paper packs for commercial and personal use sales like the ones you see here in Etsy. When you have done all that, says Di, I'm quoting her, you are going to learn how to take your digital paper packs and convert and repurpose them into a multitude of other types of products that you can use for your own projects or sell on the different marketplaces. Once you have mastered all the above steps, I'm going to show you a time-saving trick by delegating the creation to a VA virtual assistant without them having to go through the training by setting up the PSD files in a certain way. By the time you've finished, you will have a set of unique digital assets that no one else has. This means you can resell them for personal or commercial use, even if you have used, and she goes on about the license. The beauty of this method is that nobody will have the same assets as you have because you will create something completely unique with your own spin on it. Then she's going to cover places where you can sell your creations besides Etsy and your own website and get a decent price for them. And Di says, when I first started selling online, I was creating digital scrapbook kits. I was taught by some of the top designers in the world. Now I'm going to share all my secrets with you. And Di says, why would I do that? In line with my philosophy, there's enough business out there for everyone. It is my dream to help you become financially successful. The more tools and training I can give you to make that happen, the better. And of course, as a disclosure, I'm an affiliate for this product, and no one can guarantee you any income. Di is just showing you what she is doing herself. So this is created during the training. These are some she created right here. Her regular price for this course is $497. And this is not going to last long. And that's not false scarcity. She's going to go back up on her regular price soon. These are 8 commercial use products that she's including as free bonuses, and you can see the course outline. I'll have a link to her page at the bottom of this video. And now I'm going to show you, if you get this course through my affiliate link, you also get my own how to create a no content print on demand spiral journal in 15 minutes to sell on Etsy. So click the link below. What are you waiting for? If this interests you, it sounds like something you'd like to learn and then start selling your own products. Di is an awesome teacher. So I'll put a link to this and a link to my email so you can send me your receipt to get this bonus course from me on Teachable. Okay, that's all for now. I will talk to you soon. Bye now. I'll also put my email below so you can email me any questions you have. Thanks for stopping by. Bye now.